See, I'm never going to lie to you. Final year in medical school is tedious.
Welcome to the world of medicine. This is what I do most of the time. The medical syllabus is made in such a way that even if I choose to study every minute of my life, I must still not cover up everything I need to cover up.
So basically, in a typical day in medical posting, I wake up very early. Most times I do wake up late. Typically, I wake up by 5:30, read a little, do my devotion before preparing for lectures. Usually start our lectures by 8 a.m. We have medicine 1 hour, then surgical lecture 1 hour. By 10, we are done with our lectures. Then we'll proceed to the teaching hospital for our postings. Depending, you might be having clinic, you might be having ward rounds, or you might be having procedure depending on the unit you are in. So that's typically it. And most times when you are done with all of this, you come back, you refresh, you have to go back again to the hospital. If your team is on call, you have to go back in the evening to join them to observe the call. It's actually not easy, but it's fun anyway because you are getting to learn a lot of things, and a lot of things are beginning to make sense. Things that were strange before, they are beginning to make sense. Everything is beginning to add up. That's a typical day in my life. I'm using footage from different days actually, but this video in a nutshell is illustrating how a typical day is in my life. Please like this video, drop a comment, and if you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe so I'll be getting more cool content from me.
Mama said, there'll be days like this, there'll be days like this. My mama said, I went walking the other day.
We'll be going through this table of content, going through introduction, definition, classification courses, and also the pathophysiology, clinical manifestation of the management.
And the next time you see a final year medical student, just give them a hug and add at least 100k or more because they are going through a lot. Right now I'm going through a lot. Even as I'm making this video, I'm thinking of many things, projects, other deadlines that I have to meet. So it's not actually easy being a final year medical student. I'm never going to lie to you. Final year in medical school is tedious. You have a lot of things demanding for your limited time, countless and unending bills to pay, and most times it can actually be overwhelming. But then what keeps you going is knowing that you are near the finish line, and who don't want to finish strong? That's a typical day in my life. Please like this video, drop a comment, and if you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe so I'll be getting more cool content from me. Bye for now.